Hello, it's Tatter Tammy here. I am coming on because I was tagged in hashtag you're it, and I have been sitting here trying to figure out what I'm gonna do because Meg from Chasing Retro gonna be trying to make me do stuff. Now, you guys, okay, I am not good at ephemera, okay? So don't be trying to make me do stuff, guys, Carrie, all right? But I'm gonna do it, okay? So I've been sitting here for I don't know how long trying to lay something out that looked decent because I'm really not. It just, my brain don't work like that. So today I got a nice package in the mail, and one of the things that was sent to me was these like pieced like quilt top pieces, and that's what this is from Meg. Actually, these two were connected, and I took them apart and because I like the colors to go with this tag, and so I was gonna put that there. And then she also sent me this sweet little picture from the Dick and Jane books. I think this is Pam or Penny. I don't know which one it is. But anyway, she fussy cut that out and sent that to me, and it is so sweet. And she also sent me some of these, like I think they were name like tags that went on desks for students, put on their desk. At least I think that's what they were back in the day. And so I have glued that to this tag, to this flashcard. It's late, guys. My brain. I'm telling you, my brain. Okay, so I glued that to the flashcard, and I'm gonna add these things to the flashcard. Okay, to make my tag, and I'm going to sew this button onto here and add this little sentiment that says "for you" at the bottom. So I'm going to glue those on. And this is a butterfly sticker. Okay. I should be in frame, right? And then this one, I had one of those. It's like, I don't know if this is the end to the piano roll, or I always forget what this was originally. And then I have some black cardstock, and this was a piece of oh, what was that? You know, those cheap bracelets that have them like the studded that wrap around your wrists a few times. So I had cut that, and I had these little tags that were on some vintage flowers. Oh, that's how old it is. I gotta get that glued down so it doesn't tear anymore. And I have this button that Meg sent me in that package. And this was from a vintage book, and I glued that to a piece of flashcard. And this is the salvage edge of some fabric. I just really like that, so I saved it. Black cardstock. So I'm gonna glue that down and glue that on top of there. And put all of this together. And then I will be back to show you how they turn out. Okay, guys. I think I'm recording. Okay, so this is the finished one. Nothing on the back. I might add something so it could be like a glue. I don't know if you could be able to write on that or not. And then here's the other one, and the lighting is, it's like almost 11 o'clock at night here, so the lighting is bad. So I did it. So tag your it with Carrie at the Paper Monkey and Meg who tagged me. And I have no idea who I could tag that would do it, but I'll think about it, and it was fun. Thank you for thinking of me. And I hope you guys like my crazy looking tags. All right. Have a good night, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.